Welcome back to another patio and home improvement. We're in Centennial, Colorado today, just finishing up a bathroom remodel. We just finished up the tile flooring remodel, the trim. We installed a new toilet, and we installed a new vanity and custom sink and custom faucet with a custom backsplash. Nice glass sink and countertop with the glass tile backsplash, custom faucet, and nice custom vanity. So we just wanted to walk you through our nice little bathroom remodel. We also finished off with a nice little mirror that matches up with the vanity, and a nice new light fixture as well. And our beautiful homeowners picked out all of these items, so we want to give them compliments for their great taste. And we want to thank you for joining us on another patio and home improvement here in Centennial, Colorado. So until next time, we'll see you then.